Okay, hi students. So today actually I am going to explain the solution of this problem. So what is the problem here? If 5 dice are thrown simultaneously, find the probability that at least 3 of them show the same numbered dice. Okay. So for example, if I am taking 5 dice like this, at least 3 of them showing the same numbered dice means 3 dice must show the same numbers, or 4 of them can show the same numbers, or 5 of them can show the same numbers. So we have to take 3 different cases here. What are the 3 different cases? 3 of the dice showing same numbers is one case. 4 of the dice showing same numbers is one case, and all 5 of the dice showing the same number is one case. Okay, so I am going to discuss the first case with you. So first case is let 3 dice show same number. Let 3 dice show same number. So 3 dice show same number means what number? So all 3 dice can show 1, all 3 dice can show 2, all 3 dice can show 3, like that. 3 dice can show the same number means that has 6 possibilities. That is 3 of them showing 1s, 3 of them showing 2s, like that. 3 dice showing same number has 6 possibilities. Okay, you just listen carefully here. So what I am going to explain. So 3 dice showing same number, that number can be either 1s or 2s or 3s or 4s, like that. There are 6 possibilities. For example, I take 3 dice showing same number like this. That means the remaining 2 dice must not show this number, because only 3 must show the same number. So remaining 2 dice cannot show ones, means remaining 2 dice cannot show ones, means these remaining 2 dice can show 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Means ones should not come here, because only 3 ones and already we have taken. So the remaining 2 dice can have any numbers from these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have to choose any 2 numbers from this set which will fit here, or which will fit in the remaining 2 places. That means from remaining 5 numbers I will select 2. So from 5 selecting 2 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this we have to select any 2. So what I am doing, I am selecting 3 same numbers for which we have 6 possibilities, and I am selecting 2 numbers from this set. That means I have 3 same numbers and I have 2 numbers from this set. Now once 3 numbers must be same, means they need not be in this order only, no. You can get 3 same numbers like this. So these 3 are same anyhow. Or you can get the 3 same numbers like this. 1, 1, 1, they are same, like that. 3 same numbers they have given, but they need not come in this order only. So different orders are possible. What we have taken is 3 same numbers I have taken in 6 ways, that is 3 1s or 3 2s or 3 3s, like that. Other 2 numbers I can take from these. These numbers can be arranged in different ways now, because order can be different. You know very well, when the dice are thrown means the numbers can be put in different orders. Okay, so therefore the 5 numbers which we are choosing here can be arranged in how many ways we have to see. So 5 numbers which we have chosen can be arranged in how many ways? They can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, because we have 5 numbers. What are those 5 numbers? 3 numbers we have taken same, and 2 numbers we have taken from this. We have 5 numbers. those 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, and in these 5 numbers 3 numbers are same, no? So therefore by 3 factorial. So this is the first case of 5 dice in which 3 of them showing the same numbers. Okay, now I am going to second case. Second case is actually, let 4 dice show the same numbers. Let 4 dice show same numbers. So 4 of the dice showing same numbers means 4 of the dice showing 1s or 2s or 3s or 4s, like that. 4 dice showing same numbers has 6 possibilities. That is all 4 1s or all 4 2s or all 4 3s, like that. Okay, so I will show you how you will get. So 4 of the dice showing same numbers means, for example, you take like this. That means on 5th die you are going to take a different number, not this one. You are going to take a different number. What different number you will take? From 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can take a different number. This is only example. If 4 numbers are same like this, the 5th die must have a different number. Different number means what? From remaining 5 you have to get one number. So from remaining 5 you have to get one number which has to fit in this 5th die. How many ways for that? 5C1. And the order we did not take. So 4 same numbers, 5th number is different number like this, but they can be put in different orders. It is not necessary that we write like this only. So these can be put in different orders. For different orders means how many arrangements we can write? These 5 numbers can be arranged in 5 factorial, and you have 4 numbers same here. Therefore by 4 factorial ways. So this is case 2, and we will write case 3 also. So what is case 3? So case 3 means we will take all the 5 dice showing same number. We will take all 5 dice showing same number. So all 5 dice showing same number is very easy. All 5 showing same numbers means all 5 dice showing 1s like this, or all 5 dice showing 2s, or all 5 showing 3s. How many possibilities? 6 possibilities will be there. And all 5 dice are showing same numbers means there is no arrangements for that, because all are same. However you arrange it, you will get the same thing, no? So therefore there are no arrangements, only one arrangement is possible there. So these are the 3 cases, and I will write the probability. So what is the required probability? Required probability is, so either first case or second case or third case is possible means, what is the total number of ways? We have to add these, no? Total number of ways means I will write 6 into 5C2 into 5 factorial by 3 factorial is how much? 120 by 6, no? So that is 20 plus 6 into 5C1 into 5 factorial by 4 factorial is 5 plus 6 by what is n of s? When 5 dice are thrown, n of s is obviously 6 power 5. Okay, so I will take 6 common in the numerator and cancel with the denominator. So take 6 common in the numerator, cancel with the denominator. What is left? See, 5C2 10 into 20 plus 5C1 into 5 means 5 into 5 plus 1. After taking 6 common, this is left. So 6 common and cancel with the denominator, no? So this is going to left. So this is nothing but 200 plus 25 plus 1. So your answer is going to be 226 by 6 power 4. Answer is going to be 226 by 6 power 4. So this is the solution, Amma. So very clear cut solution. is you have to take three cases. First case, 3 of the dice showing same number. So 3 of the dice showing same number means 3 of them showing 1s or 2s or 3s, like that 6 possibilities. Remaining 2 dice must show different numbers, means from 5 different numbers you have to choose 2 which fit into remaining 2 dice. Now those numbers can be arranged in different orders, for which we have these many ways. Why we wrote by 3 factorial? Because 3 of the dice will show same number, no? So what is the second case? 4 dice showing same number, means 4 dice showing 1s or 2s or 3s, like that. For that we have 6 possibilities. So 4 dice show same number means 1 die must show different number, no? For that you have 5 ways, and those can be arranged in different orders. So 5 factorial for arranging 5 numbers in which 4 are same. Automatically we are writing here, see 4 dice are showing same number, so 4 of them are same, no? So by 4 factorial I wrote. Last case, all 5 showing the same numbers, for which you have only one way for arrangements, and all 5 showing same number means they can be all 1s or all 2s or all 3s, like that. There are 6 possibilities. So either case 1 or case 2 or case 3 is possible here. Therefore we are going to add these. Okay, so by adding these we will get the n of e value. N of s is anyhow 6 power 5 because we are actually throwing 5 days. Okay, so this concludes the solution. Thank you everyone.